Welcome to Fearless Formatting in Microsoft Word. I am so excited to teach you what I have learned over a decade of formatting for an engineering company, for doctoral students, self-published novels, for people that are going on to seek publication. All of these different kinds of formatting, I am so excited to get to teach you in this course. This course is laid out into 6 different units. The first half of the course is a general overview of Word. I want to talk about what happens when it goes wrong and how to assess that and then fix it. We're going to take a tour of many of the most important menus that you can use when you are formatting in Word. Some of these you're probably familiar with, but hopefully I'll be able to show you some cool tricks that you can do within these menus that you already know, like the font menu and the paragraph menu. The heading will not appear by itself at the bottom of a page. It will make sure that it remains with the lines after it. And then we'll go into a little bit of a deeper dive to some hidden menus, some conditional menus, and some things that you might not even know that you're capable of doing. If I highlight the strike through sentence and then press erase, we're going to tour Word, and then we're going to figure out how to speak the language of Microsoft Word. Because Word is always speaking to you. It has ways of communicating what it's doing, why something showed up as a bullet list, why something moved to the next page in Word, why something has the margin that it does or the font size that it does, why this word is always bold no matter what you do to unbold it. Word is telling you this. It's in a secret language that it doesn't tell you it's speaking, but it's there. So we're going to learn how to speak this language and how to talk back to Word so that what we want Word to do and what Word thinks we want to do are the same thing. If I search for lay, I can find lie, or lay, or lying, or laid will all show up when I look for all word forms. Then the second half of the course is split up into 3 more units, and these are designed for specific people. The 4th unit is for authors. If you are writing in any capacity, fiction, nonfiction, if you're trying to self-publish, if you're working with a traditional publisher, this part of the course is designed especially for you. What you're going to learn is how to write a book in Word, how to tweak it so that it works a little bit more like Scrivener. If you like Scrivener but you want to do that in Word, we're going to look at how to use styles in order to outline more efficiently, in order to rearrange what we've written in a really quick manner. This is also the unit that's going to do a deep dive into how track changes works. Not only how to use them, how to look at them, but also how to take all of the feedback that you got from 5 of your best author friends and put it into one document without losing your mind. Like, the comments themselves are probably enough. We don't need to go and make Word make it harder. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. What we're going to look at now is how you can take 2 documents that don't have tracks changes and show the changes between them. We can go through and we can see some of the changes from little things to huge changes that have been made along the way. We're also going to look at what it takes to format for publication. Whether you're querying and what you need is the standard Times New Roman, indented, new page breaks for every chapter that you send to an agent or a publisher to hope to get published, or you're looking to self-publish and you need it to be completely ready to upload into KDP or whatever system it is you're using, we're going to learn how to do that in Word. The next unit, Unit 5, is specifically for students. And I've designed it for postgrad students mostly, for if you're getting your master's, if you're getting your doctorate, and you are suddenly forced to work on this 50, 100, 200 page thesis. That's a lot. It's not the 10-page paper you were writing in undergrad, and you're having to work with citations, so we will look at that. This is also the unit that is going to discuss how to make figures and how to make tables. And not only make them, but make them beautifully, make them efficiently, and make them so they are very easy to change if you need to switch around information, if you need to make them bigger, if you need to add a row. All of this can be done in just a few clicks of a button. You just have to know where those buttons are. Like, I can switch it to look like this. I like this one. In the last unit, we are going to be focusing on professionals. Whether you are an editor like my day job is, or a teacher, or you are an admin-facing position for a company, this unit is going to be for you. It's going to focus not on the words in Word, but on the design aspects of what you can do within Word to create a professional brand that is not only well designed, but is also quickly accessible and looks similar across documents. We'll look at how to create in Word a brand color, a brand font, how to update templates that you pull from the internet in about 35 seconds with your own brand, your own colors, your own design, everything that you want. For the Design tab, I'm going to choose my fonts and my colors. When you look at these, I can pull down this. We're going to look at how to create quizzes, how to use tabs efficiently when you are creating a quiz or an assignment for your students. Once you log into the course, you're going to see a navigation pane over on the left-hand side that will allow you to move through the course. You can see the content of each unit, go through and take quizzes, and click on each unit, not only to experience the videos that give you these tutorials of how to go through each of these different options in Word, but also you have text explaining how things work, tables. And then at the end of each of these main units, we have a place where you can download an assignment and then upload it once again for me to review, as well as go through and finish these quizzes to make sure that you have learned the information that you need to. And at the end of this course, I hope that you leave with the ability, maybe not to do everything perfectly the first time. I will admit, I don't do everything perfectly the first time in this course at all, but with the knowledge of when things go wrong, what menus to look at, how to fix it, and how to fearlessly format whatever it is that you're working on. Get your novel written and formatted, get your dissertation finished without having to worry about Word on top of everything else that comes with writing a dissertation, and be able to give the professional image that you want to give off to your clients, to your coworkers, to your students. This course will leave you not only confident, but able to use Word in creative ways to do your business so much more efficiently and with so many fewer headaches. And I promise, zero demons will be summoned during this course.